Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, my students. How are you today? Our lesson today about phrasal verb. Inseparable phrasal verb. Lesson objectives. To learn new phrasal verbs and their meanings. To use inseparable phrasal verbs in sentences. A phrasal verb is a verb combined with a preposition or adverb or both. That means something different from each of the words that make up the verb. There are two types of phrasal verbs. The first one is separable phrasal verbs, meaning can be broken up by other words. For example, this is very important information. Please write it down. The phrasal verb is write down. In the sentence, he separates between the verb write and the preposition down by it. Secondly, inseparable phrasal verb cannot be separated by other words. For example, could you please look after my cat while I am vacation? She's really not trouble. Look after here is a phrasal verb. Cannot be separated by other words. Our lesson today about inseparable phrasal verbs. The object must come at the end because the verb and the preposition must stay together. For example, run into is an example for an inseparable verb. Run into means to meet someone by chance when you were not expecting to. I always run into Molly at the mall. This sentence is correct because the phrasal verb is run into. I always run Molly into at the mall. In this sentence, he separates between the main verb and the preposition by the object. So this sentence is incorrect. I always run Molly at the mall into. He separates between run and into by Molly at the mall. So this sentence is incorrect. Now open your class book, page 78. Extend. Match the transitive inseparable phrasal verbs from 1 to 7 with definitions A to G. Number 1, go with, meaning match. Number 2, break into. Match with E, meaning enter a place that is closed. Number 3, count on. Match with G, rely on someone. Number 4, come across. Match with D, find by chance. Number 5, pick on. Match with B, behave equally towards. Number 6, look after. Match with A, take care of someone. And last one, number 7, go over. Match with C, review. Now, exercise number 3. Before answering exercise number 3, study exercise number 2 well. Then use the phrasal verbs with preposition to complete the sentence. Exercise number 3. Rewrite the sentences using the phrasal verbs from exercise 2 and a pronoun. Number 1 is answered. Number 2, pick on him. Number 3, look after us. Number 4, count on him. Number 5, went over it. Number 6, go with them. And number 7, broke into it. Now, exercise number 3. Before answering exercise number 3, study exercise number 2 well. Then use the phrasal verbs with preposition to complete the sentence. Exercise number 3. Rewrite the sentences using the phrasal verbs from exercise 2 and a pronoun. Number 1 is answered. Number 2, pick on him. Number 3, look after us. Number 4, count on him. Number 5, went over it. Number 6, go with them. And number 7, broke into it. Now, your homework today. Use the link to answer your homework. That's all for today. Goodbye. Tomorrow again. That's all for